So immunis means free from or exempt from or exempt. Okay, so immune system will provide protection to the organisms from the invasion of pathogenic microorganisms. Okay, immunity will protect to the organism, will be protect from the microorganism or pathogenic microorganisms. So these are two steps in immune response. If any microorganism entering into our body will respond in two steps, that is the recognition and response. Recognition, response. So first our body recognize the pathogens, after that it will respond against the microorganisms. Okay, so this is a general introduction for immunity. So basic concept of immunology. What are the basic concepts of immunology? So in order to understand the immunology, so we should know about basic concepts like defense lines. If we understand about the immunology, we have to know about the defense lines and cell organs, molecules which involve in immunity, which means our cell organs and molecules, these are involved in immunity, and antigens, immune sensitization, and abnormalities. Okay, so these are the different concepts in the immunology. And number one, defense lines. So defense lines in immunology or immunity. So there are three defense lines in our body. Okay, so they will protect the organisms. The defense lines protect the organisms from the microorganism and protect themselves by the diseases. Okay, so there are three defense lines. Number one, first line of defense. Number two, second line of defense, and number three, third line of defense. Let me see about first line of defense. Okay, so whenever the harmful infectious microorganisms like bacteria, virus, and parasites and fungi. So these are tries to enter in our body. Okay, if they are trying to enter in our body, the skin, mucus, saliva, and lysozyme enzyme of tears. the lysozyme enzyme will be present in our tears. So skin, mucus, saliva, lysozyme enzyme of tears, which will be inhibit entry of such microbes. Let me see first line of defense. If any harmful microorganism or infectious microorganism entering into our body or invade to our body, like bacteria, viruses, parasite or fungi, if they are tries to entering in our body, in our body skin, mucus, saliva, lysozyme enzyme of tears, they will be inhibit the entry of microorganism and protect them from the diseases. Okay, so this is called as first line of defense. Second line of defense. So in the second line of defense, whenever the harmful microorganism crossed the first line defense, and enter into our body. Okay, so the pathogen, then if they are entering into our body, then phagocytes and natural killer cells, that means NK cells, okay, and antimicrobial proteins and inflammation and fever, which will be destruct the microbes. Okay, so if the harmful microorganism entering into our body and the first line of defense, skin, mucus, saliva and lysozyme enzymes, they will be inhibit the entry of microorganism. If that microorganism crossed the first line of defense, they will be entering into second line of defense. In the second line of defense, the phagocytes, natural killer cells, antimicrobial proteins and inflammation and fever, so which will be destroy the microbes. Okay, so this is known as second line of defense. So if the first line and the second line of defense exhibit immediate response, they will be exhibit immediate response, but the response is non-specific. ఓకే, సో అంటే ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ లైన్ ఆఫ్ డిఫెన్స్ అయినా కానీ సెకండ్ లైన్ ఆఫ్ డిఫెన్స్ అయినా కానీ ఏవైనా మైక్రో ఆర్గానిజం మన బాడీలోకి ఎంటర్ అవ్వగానే తొందరగా ఇమిడియేట్గా అవి వాటి యొక్క పనిని నిర్వర్తిస్తాయి, కానీ నాన్ స్పెసిఫిక్ అన్నమాట. అంటే అంత ఖచ్చితమైనదిగా మనం చెప్పలేము. ఇఫ్ దే ఆర్ ఫెయిల్స్ ఇన్ సెకండ్ లైన్ ఆఫ్ డిఫెన్స్, ద మైక్రో ఆర్గానిజం ఎంటరింగ్ ఇన్ టు ద థర్డ్ లైన్ ఆఫ్ డిఫెన్స్. So third one is third line of defense. So whenever the first and second line of defense line fails, if they are fails, they will entering into the microorganism entering into third line of defense. Okay, so in the third line of defense, lymphocytes and antibodies. So the lymphocytes and antibodies fight against, which will be fight against microorganism, and this will be the lymphocytes and antibodies provide protection to our body. Okay, so this is called third line of defense. Okay, so the third line of defense is one of the specific line. Okay, if the first and second line undergoes fails, the microorganism entering into third line of defense. In the third line of defense, lymphocytes and antibodies, they will be fight against the microorganism, and it will be provide the protection from the microorganism. This is called third line of defense, and it is one of the specific line. Okay andi, but it takes many days to complete their activity. Okay, so if the first line and the second line and third line undergoes fails, if the three lines undergoes fails, so to control our body does not control the microorganism, and which will be suffered with diseases. Okay, so this is the three lines of defense lines. In the first line of defense lines, skin, mucous membrane, saliva, tears. So these are the first line defense activities. And the second line, phagocytes, natural killer cells, antimicrobial proteins, and inflammation, fever. These are the second line defense lines. And third line is lymphocytes, which means T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes, both are lymphocytes, and antibodies. So these are the three defense lines, and first line and second line is non-specific, but the third line is specific. Okay, so this is the three defense lines, friends.